Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing PIA's retro Airbus A320 livery by INFLIGHT200. Let's get into it.
पहली उड़ान PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
So on the front of the box we have our Airbus A320 name and logo with the PIA name. We have our retro livery aircraft, our registration AP-BLA INFLIGHT200. On the back hand side, not very much, we just have our INFLIGHT200 logo and then some details about INFLIGHT200 itself. On the top we can see another aircraft design, but other than that the box is pretty simple. So we'll go ahead and open it up and then we'll take a look inside. So in this box we have our landing gear included. We have our landing gear down, and I don't believe that the landing gear up is included. Yeah, there's only the landing gear down, so there's no landing gear doors up. We do have our stand as well. Pretty small stand. Our retro PIA name, Airbus A320, 1:200 scale. And then our main aircraft. Here it is. Very beautiful, very detailed. So we'll go ahead and put in our main gears. These are magnetic, so they are easy to install, as well as they are rotatable, which is on all INFLIGHT200 models. So the gears, wheels do move, and as you can see the front ones are 360 rotatable. So as you can see on the front of the aircraft, we have our black nose with some black paint underneath the cockpit windows. Our cockpit windows itself are very detailed. You can see we also have our two 60th anniversary stickers, one here at the front and one near the front left door. We have our registration LA on the nose gear, very detailed. We do have a gray light body underneath, and then our dark green cheat line going in through the body to the back, and then our white paint job on the top. We have our Pakistan flag, Pakistan International, in the retro livery. Our engines are very detailed as well. These ones do move as well, which is good. You can also see we have our detailed antennas on the top, and then our gem beacon light. On the back we can see we have our registration Alpha Papa Bravo Lima Alpha. We also have our registration on the bottom left wing as well as the top right wing. And then on the tail we have our unique design with the stars, our PIA logo with the PIA aircraft going in the middle. Very unique design from the 70s to the 80s. And then as we move to the back, we can see our detailed exhaust, our APU door. On the right side, some similar stuff as well. We have our bulk door, our baggage doors as well. Very detailed on the passenger windows as well. And then we can see our similar details with the Pakistan International name, Pakistan flag, and then our same treat line and body colors as well. Underneath the aircraft, we do have one antenna here, still very detailed. Our INFLIGHT200 logo, our stand input. We have a bit of detail on the landing gear doors. Not as much detail, but we can see a little bit of an embed design. We do have our beacon gem as well, another antenna, and then our front cargo door, which is detailed. I wish they would have detailed the back, but still pretty good. And then obviously our rotatable nose gear. Alright, so some details about this aircraft. So over here, it was registered in France as Foxtrot Whiskey Bravo uniform for pre-delivery test flights. The first flight of this aircraft was on January 24th of 2007, which was then later registered to the Czech Republic as Oscar Kilo Mike Echo Hotel, and then it was delivered to that Czech Airlines in February 15th of 2007. Later, the aircraft was acquired by PIA from the Icelandic Aircraft Management for dry lease for about 6 years. And then the aircraft was registered in Pakistan as AP-BLA. The delivery was on May 22nd of 2015. The aircraft landed in Karachi Airport on May 23rd of 2015. And then it was painted in the retro livery to celebrate their 60th anniversary of PIA from the 1955 to 2015. And then since then, the aircraft continue to fly for PIA, but currently, unfortunately, it is grounded in Karachi Airport, and it's just waiting on some maintenance work to get it back up in the air. So hopefully the aircraft will return to the skies very soon. I'm hoping to see it in person as well one day when I come back to visit Pakistan. Very unique livery, very nice details that the put on the A320. Hopefully the 777 also returns to the sky as well. That I also had seen in Toronto. So let's hope that these aircrafts come back to the sky very, very soon. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of this beautiful PIA A320 retro livery by INFLIGHT200. No doubt the detail is very nice, very shiny, glossy look. Hopefully they do release a 777-200 in the retro livery very soon. I'm hoping to see that. I do have the retro livery in 1-400 as well, and in 1-200 I have it in Hogan, but in this A320 retro livery I do have 2 in 1-400 scale. So let's hope they make more beautiful liveries of PIA like this one. So once again, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my daily amazing PIA collection. Thanks a lot guys once again, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.